This crazy new trend is going viral right now, featuring Vox and Fern-style paper cut animations. Those tactile, stop-motion documentary collages that keep viewers glued to the screen. They're pulling tens of millions of views, but every tutorial out there uses complex code or paid tools. Today, I'll show you how to build these entire documentary sequences from scratch using 100% free AI tools. Everything runs on a single master engine prompt. Watch what I created in just 5 minutes.
Rameshwaram, at the southern edge of the Indian subcontinent. Along the coast, an army begins gathering stone for an impossible crossing. Ahead lies a 30-kilometer stretch of turbulent ocean separating the exiled Prince Rama from Lanka. Sugriva, commander of the Vanara army, organizes millions of builders across the shoreline. Two master architects, Nala and Neela, calculate the foundation using volcanic stone and dense timber. Workers haul limestone boulders from the surrounding hills and mark each stone with sacred characters before lowering it into the water. The porous stones interlock along an underwater ridge, creating a structure that appears to float. Hour by hour, the causeway pushes farther into the channel. For 5 days, the builders work without stopping, turning scattered stone and timber into a military pathway. On the 6th morning, the army reaches the sightline of Lanka's Golden Gates. The siege begins, and the bridge has become a weapon.
No time wasted. Step 1. Head straight to the description to get my master prompt. Copy the entire prompt from start to finish. Open ChatGPT, paste it in, and send it to initialize the engine. It will ask for your source PDF. You can download my free history doc engine, PDF, from the link, or simply type skip to use the built-in defaults. Choose your niche. We're selecting history. The engine gives you 10 unique non-clickbait documentary concepts with concrete hooks. Select your topic, like how the Vanara Bridge was built in ancient Lanka, and pick your length. For long-form ad revenue, aim for 10 to 20 minutes, but we'll do 1 minute for this build. The chatbot writes a continuous Fern-style script, one clean idea per sentence ending on a sharp cliffhanger. Type voice for 11 Labs settings, or proceed to skip straight to the beat breakdown. The engine splits the entire script into precise visual beats, around 24 beats for a 1-minute video. Every single sentence becomes an independent visual beat. Type next, and the engine generates a complete list of self-contained paper-cut image prompts for every single beat. Copy the entire text block from here. Step 2. Now to generate all 24 images at once without clicking one by one. Open Google Flow, switch to image mode, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and choose Nano Banana 2. Click Agent, type Gen Images, paste your entire prompt list directly into the field, and hit Generate. In just a few minutes, Agent automatically generates all 24 images. Download them and rename them in sequence, scene 1, 2, 3, all the way through. Step 3. Go back to ChatGPT and type next to generate the global video prompt. Copy it and head back to Google Flow. Open agent mode again, select OmniFlash as your model, choose all 24 generated images, type Gen Video from this single prompt. Paste the prompt in and hit Generate. In a few minutes, all 24 animated clips will be rendered. Download and number them 1 to 24 in sequence. Step 4. Head back to ChatGPT and type next one more time. It will create 3 high CTR thumbnail prompt variations in that signature Vox and Fern style. Pick the one you like, paste it into Google Flow with Nano Banana 2 and hit generate. In seconds, your matching paper cut thumbnail is ready. Step 5. Back in ChatGPT, scroll up and copy your narration script. Open 11 Labs, select a calm, deadpan male narrator with mid-range gravitas, set stability to 55 and similarity to 80, and hit generate to get your clean voiceover. Step 6. Open your video editor. I'm using CapCut. Import your audio track and all 24 video clips. Lay your voiceover on the timeline first, then place your video clips sequentially right over their matching narration beats. Preview your sync, export in 4K, and let's watch the final result together.
At the southern edge of the Indian subcontinent, along the coast, an army begins gathering stone for an impossible crossing. Ahead lies a 30-kilometer stretch of turbulent ocean separating the exiled Prince Rama from Lanka. Sugriva, commander of the Vanara army, organizes millions of builders across the shoreline. 2 master architects, Nala and Neela, calculate the foundation using volcanic stone and dense timber. Workers haul limestone boulders from the surrounding hills and mark each stone with sacred characters before lowering it into the water. The porous stones interlock along an underwater ridge, creating a structure that appears to float. Hour by hour, the causeway pushes farther into the channel. For 5 days, the builders work without stopping, turning scattered stone and timber into a military pathway. On the 6th morning, the army reaches the sightline of Lanka's Golden Gates. The siege begins, and the bridge has become a weapon.
Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.